I tell you what, the personalities chat that we find on these battles is it's pretty cool. All right, that's better. Now I can move it.
Now,
back.
what the heck is going on here?
Whoa! What
Who
the?
the f are you?
What's that thing?
I
don't have
am
any
Kevin
dog
the
toys.
Raven. Oh, excuse me. Hold on. I need to fix my bow tie. There we go. Now, as I was saying, sir, who the f are you?
I'm Zwix. I do outdoors, hunting, fishing,
Oh, cool.
grilling. We drink Nokas and bush lattes and have a good time and hang out. Katie, thank you for the corns and the lightning bolts.
Yes. Thank you. Wait, what's going on here? This is TikTok. This is TikTok. What the heck is TikTok? Sorry, it's been a few years since you've been out of the closet.
Yikes. You gotta take care of your animals, man. You might have to call Pete up. I have to send Percy to
Don't get that far. Don't get. Wait, excuse me. I gave him a girlfriend. You
I
what?
got Dale
Yeah, I
the
gave you a
duck,
girlfriend.
the planet or whatever. I don't even care. Let's go.
Hey, hold on. I gave you a girlfriend. You did? Yeah.
Let's go. Just tap.
So you gave me a girlfriend.
Yeah, that's right, big boy.
That's
Your girlfriend now.
that's a one hot chick, as some would say. Ha
I
ha.
think I'm in love. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, you have the voice of an angel. Wait, what?
Oh, thank you very much. I get that a lot.
And then,
Excuse me.
and then,
Excuse me, sir. There's a lady present.
and then. Hey, can one time? Can we get a roar? Can your bird? All right, man. Have a good night.
You too, sir. That was really cool. You want to make out?
Sure.
Nope. Why am I here for this? No!